Hey everybody, we are still talking cellular health and vitality here. This is part 2. So the second product that I want to highlight today is our DDR Prime Essential Oils Cellular Complex. Now this is different from the deep blue polyphenols, which is what we have already covered, in that there are no plant extracts in this. This is just essential oils. So this is a capsule or a soft gel with a bunch of essential oils in it. And it has a different type of phytochemistry. So I'm going to read to you the oils that are in these. Frankincense, wild orange, lemongrass, thyme, summer savory, clove, and niaouli. So these essential oils were specifically selected for their cellular renewal and antioxidant properties. Okay, so really good stuff. Before I move on, there is some fascinating research, at least I find it fascinating. If you were to just Google like DDR Prime and Utah State University, I think you would be really encouraged by what you read there. So just a little side note. So why essential oils and not just plant extracts? People ask me that all the time. Like, what's the big deal about essential oils? Like, why are they different and what's the big rave, right? So essential oils have a unique ability to penetrate through the cell wall and get deep into the cell. And the reason why is because the molecular structure is so tiny that they can do that. So they can not only move, in between the cells, they can actually get inside the cell and have specific biological effects on our bodies. And when they do that, they can directly affect some of the mechanisms within the cells. Okay, so working from the very, very, very most inner part of our makeup out, helping us really get to some of the root causes of why we experience some of the things that we experience. So DDR Prime. The DDR actually stands for something. It stands for DNA damage response. Okay, so the body works really hard to protect the DNA from getting damaged in the body, and this DDR Prime, these essential oils, again, they were selected because they're really, really good for cellular renewal and for their antioxidant properties. Now let's talk about the lifespan of a cell real quick. So I've read that the average lifespan of a cell is about 90 days. So while our cells are living, they're constantly replicating. Okay, so in my earlier live video, we kind of talked about polyphenols and free radicals and how they can kind of damage different structures of the cell. And we don't want damaged cells replicating damaged cells. We want healthy cells replicating healthy cells. Okay, so that is the point. That's why we were talking about cellular health and vitality. How can we really ensure that we're doing everything that we can to provide some good supplementation, some good things to our bodies to help have healthy cells. So again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. And the next thing we're going to cover is our Mito 2 Max, which is going to talk about energy and cellular stamina. Okay, so that's what's next. See ya.